Hello guys, we just arrived here at the vacation house here in Vila Luka, Croatia, and I'm going to make a tour at the house because it's already late, and tomorrow we already used the bedrooms and the toilet, so now it's the best time to do the tour because everything is still clean, and bed is still nice. So this is a suite. We got this from the owner, and also we have some fruits. So let's check here. What do they have here? Okay, there's a cabinet, and there's a wine. We can buy wine if we want them, but I don't think we will drink this wine. Let's see. There are more down there. So let's check the kitchen. We have here coffee and tea, coffee maker. There are not so many things. Here is the kitchen, nice and clean. So let's check the other room. What do we have here? Okay, this is a bedroom, the first bedroom in the house. So there are two beds, single beds, and this is for kids. But let's see the other rooms, and then the kids will decide where to sleep. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, let's check here. What is here? I guess this is the toilet. Bathroom. Yes, it's a bathroom. There's a shower. Yeah, it's very big bathroom. Yeah, it's very nice and very clean. Okay, and what do we have here? Okay, this is a washing room. Yeah, there's washing machine down there. So let's switch it off. Let's check upstairs. So let's see what's here. Okay, so there's another room, second room. Well, we will sleep in this room. I have already my bag down there. It's a big room also. It's very nice and clean. Simple, but it's nice and clean. So it's a queen size bed. And there's a cabinet. And here's the bathroom. So there's a toilet, towels. And there's a drawer here with tissue, and there's another shower. So it's a little bit smaller than the one downstairs, and there's a cabinet. So let's check the other rooms, or I think there's another one or two rooms. Okay, this is the next room. This is for it's a small one. It's for kids or for baby. If you have a baby, then you can put here. And here's the other room. So I guess the kids will be sleeping in this room. It's the same. The bed is the same size like the one we will be sleeping in the other room. So it's like this. It's very nice. And another bathroom. They have their own bathroom and toilet. So there are three bathrooms in the house. Yeah, it's very nice. And then here is our view. So it's beautiful. It's beautiful and quiet. You can really relax here. And there you can sit everywhere. The water is very warm. I think it's the water in the swimming pool is about 25 degrees. There's a boat where you can relax. You can lie down and read books or sleep. It's nice. So I will be going there and sitting later or lying down. And here's the our garden. It's a very big garden, and then we have the car down there. We park it there. We cannot bring here, so. And yeah, it's lovely. And there are also here you can sit down and just enjoy the view. So we can go down there and go to the beach. And there are also chairs where we can sit down there or lay down. There are lots of olives, lots of fruits, but they are not yet ripe. This very nice view. So these are like a private beach. So every house they have their own place to swim. So no outsiders can come here. If you are not how do you call it? If you are not a visitor or staying in the houses, then you are not allowed to come in here. Then you cannot go to the beach. So there is one there. It's very nice and quiet. So we have neighbors as well here, but I think there is nobody. There's nobody in that house. We can also sit here. It's beautiful. Let's go there. Kids are still in the house. I think they are doing something. They will come out soon. This is also beautiful plant. So let's go here and check down. Olive. Lots of fruits. So some are already like almost ripe. They are from the owners. Let's see. So it's very hot now. During the night it's a little bit chill. It's not that warm like now. So you need to have a little jacket or a very thin jacket or blazer. There is a boutique or a lizard. Let's catch it. Where are you? Hey, you come here. Oh, there you are. Hello, boutique. Look, they have different boutique from the Philippines. They are like so dark. So this is, and you can sit down there or lay down. And there we can go. No, it's not there. It's here. Then you can go and swim. Let's go. See. This smells so nice. So nice. It smells so fresh.
Smells good. Careful. Okay. It's a little bit difficult to walk here, but we will manage it. So let's go up slowly. There are also like how do you call them? These things they are called eagle in German. I forget the English word for it. Let's see. I can show you some. Maybe they are here. Oh no. Okay, here you can go down and swim. I guess the water is like 25 degrees. Very nicely. It's very quiet today. So, there are our neighbors. They are also sitting down there. And that is our house. We will be staying here for a week, and then we will move to other place. We will go to Dubrovnik for a few days, I think 3 days, and then again to another house for 3 days. 3 days, I guess. We will be here for 2 weeks. Kids have 2 weeks school holiday. Oh my god. Okay. It is also nice to walk. It's beautiful. Watercolors, lovely. Birds singing. What is that? There are fruits, but I don't think we can eat that. So better don't touch it before we will get poison. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and hope to see you again on my next one. Bye, and God bless you all. Thanks for watching all the time.